A quick update on LCX here, down almost 5% on the week. We're still stuck in the downtrend here, but our green box here is still holding. So I still believe the bottom, the macro bottom is in on LCX. I don't think it can go lower than this green box here. So right now, going from the high to the low, you can see the fib here, the 236 at about 14.8. So if we can get back over that as of the price right now, then I do believe the downtrend is going to end up breaking if we can stay and establish over that pretty much 15 cents here, and then bullish back over 17.8, and then we'll start moving up on this thing. But once we break the downtrend, we should be in a good position at that point. We've seen a lot of coins do the same thing. A lot of coins were in a downtrend and they broke. They're not really doing anything. They're back testing, or they're just kind of sitting here, but they are starting to grind up. So we have the same thing going on here. Short term, if we go into the smaller time frames, you can see the higher highs and the higher lows here. So what we will do on the daily candle chart here is simply draw from the low to the high, find your support, your short-term support to watch. Yeah, we just tagged the 618, so that may be it at about 13.4, so not a bad spot to be in. And like I said, over that bigger level there, we need to get over that 236 to be bullish. And then just zooming out here on the weekly chart, you can see why we have this green box on the chart. It's because you can clearly see the resistance that was for a very long time. We blew through it. We held it again. We broke below it one last time, but now we're holding it again. I don't think there's time for LCX to break down to lower levels here. And we are holding the uptrend here, as you can clearly see. So it's not in a bad spot. Once the downtrend is broken over that price, we should be good. Now, with that being said, where is LCX going to end up? Of course, comment down below. Where do you see it hitting in 2025 here? So we do have the first target. The new high would take you up to about $1.60. That would be your 10, 11, 11 and a half X on this thing. And then we have 250 up here. So some good round numbers, $1.50, $1.60, then 250 for an 18X. And if you believe this coin's going to hit $5, we do have about 473 to $5 here. And that's where you would get about a 36, 37X out of LCX for here in 2025. But if it was me, I would probably take profit once we hit, $1.50 to 250 would be a good range in my opinion. So of course, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. Like I said, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.